What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're doing our Johnny Druin giveaway. 8x10 autograph photo. Somebody's going to take it home. All I asked was for you guys just to tell me your favorite team and the players that you collect in the hobby. So there is a long list of names. Good luck. We're going to find the winner right now. Live. Good luck. This picture will get sent out with the next mail day. 524 in Newfoundland. Here's your list. It's a long one. Craig, all the way down to Paul, and everybody in between. So here we go. Good luck, good luck. 1, let's check the time again, 525. That's 1. We have 268 names. 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Timestamp 3 says 525. 525 it is. Last and final is going to be our winner. Good luck. There you go. Justin Somerton. Top name out of 268 names. You are winning it after the 4th random. Congrats, 4th random, and Justin all the way up on top. So congrats, Justin. Let's get your last timestamp. 4th timestamp is at 525. 525 it is. So congratulations again, Justin. You were the lucky winner out of 268 on the 4th random. And it is 526. So congrats again. We'll see you next time for another giveaway, and thanks for joining.